Hey guys, made you this video. I know we haven't known each other very long, but I'm so happy you're here. I'm just going to read the passages and the questions if you need it, and you can pause it at any time to help you. Here we go. Passage 1, Saving the Bald Eagle, a Bird in Need. The bald eagle is an important bird in the United States because it's the nation's symbol for freedom. However, this beautiful creature was almost destroyed in the very nation that it honors it. The bald eagle was dying out slowly over hundreds of years due to a few major problems. One problem was that people were taking over the eagle's habitat and destroying its home. People cut down trees where the birds nested and ate the eagle's food sources. As people moved into areas where the birds lived, they even killed eagles. Another problem was that people were using a pesticide called DDT on plants. Fish ate the plants, and eagles in turn ate the fish. DDT made the eagles very sick, and their eggs could no longer hatch. Over time, there were very few bald eagles left in the United States. Working together. The government developed ways to solve the problems we'd created. It didn't want to lose its national symbol, so it listed the bald eagle as an endangered species. This meant that the bird was in danger of dying out completely. It became against the law to hurt or kill bald eagles. Another law was passed against the use of DDT, and this poison was no longer allowed to be used anywhere in the country. The government and other groups also worked hard to protect the bald eagle's habitat. Special groups raised baby bald eagles and then released the eagles into the wild. They also watched over nesting trees to make sure the eagles and babies were safe from harm. All of these efforts greatly helped to solve many problems that the bald eagle faced. The number of bald eagles in the United States slowly increased until finally the bird was no longer an endangered species. Today the government's still watching over the bald eagle, even though it's out of danger. We do not want the nation's bird to ever be threatened again. Facts about the bald eagle. Before settlers arrived, there were as many as 500,000 bald eagles in the United States. By 1963, there were fewer than 500 nesting pairs of bald eagles in the United States. Today, there's more than 9,500 nesting pairs of bald eagles in the United States. So, nesting pairs, that means there's two of them. Pesticide. A chemical mixture used to destroy insects. Okay, this is passage 2. America's bird. You're walking in the woods when you see a bald eagle fly gracefully over the treetops. You stop to admire this national bird and think about that it represents. What you might not realize is the bald eagle is lucky to still be alive in the American wild, and you're very lucky to be able to watch it soar. There was a time not too long ago when the future of bald eagle was in question. People came into its home and cut down trees where it nested, and they used up its food sources. They shot it because they didn't understand it, thinking it was a threat. By accident, people poisoned the eagle so that it could hardly lay eggs anymore. Some eggs had thin shells and were easily crushed, while others simply never hatched at all. Hundreds of thousands of birds were killed. The bald eagle fought to stay alive, but it was not easy. Their numbers were few, and those that remained struggled to stay alive. Unlike the past, today's outlook for the bald eagle is much better. Many groups have come together to help the bird survive. They've changed things so the bald eagle will not lose its home or harmed by people. Its trees are no longer chopped down, and the nest are safe. The poison that once almost destroyed it is gone. Instead, healthy eagles hatch from eggs every year. Just the opposite of their earlier actions, people now work hard to make sure the bald eagle is safe. They work to protect the future of America's bird. So the next time you stop to watch a bald eagle fly high above the sky, think of the hardships it endured to get there. Okay, I'm not allowed to do anything but read you the question and the choices. So, number 1. You can pause this at any time while you're thinking and selecting your next answer. Read the sentence from passage 2. Unlike the past, today's outlook for the bald eagle is much better. What does outlook mean in this sentence? The best time for an eagle to be alive. A place where someone can watch something, such as a lifeguard watches people swim. A point of view or perspective. A feeling of happiness. Feel free to pause. Number 2. Which phrase from paragraph 4 of passage 1 gives information about the structure of the paragraph? You might want to refer back to your text. Developed ways to solve the problems. Was no longer allowed to be used. Was in danger of dying out completely. Did not want to lose its national symbol. So go back to this part and check what matches. 3. Choose one way the author of passage 2 explains the trouble the bald eagle was in before efforts were made to save it. By describing the appearance of the bird using many sensory details, by asking questions about the bird's history and then answering each question in turn, by listing the steps people took to disturb the bird's habitat in order the steps occurred, by comparing and contrasting the efforts of people to save the bird, by listing the causes of the trouble the bird faced and then explaining the effects of those causes. 4. Part A. Read this sentence from paragraph 5 of paragraph 1. They also watched over nesting trees to make sure the eggs and babies were safe from harm. What does the phrase over nesting trees mean in the sentence? Trees that are nesting. Trees where baby eagles lived in the nest. Trees that grow close together. Nests that are in the trees. Part B. Which phrase from the sentence best helps you understand what the phrase nesting trees meant? So you might look back at the sentence right here and then select the best answer. They also watched. Oops, so that's not right. I don't know if that's right or not. I just accidentally clicked it. They also watched to make sure the eggs and babies safe from harm. Part 5. Paragraph 1 from passage 1 has compare and contrast structure. Choose one underlined word or phrase that helps support this statement. Passage 1. The bald eagle is an important bird in the United States because it is the nation's symbol for freedom. However, this beautiful creature was almost destroyed in the very nation that honors it. The bald eagle was dying out slowly over hundreds of years due to a few major problems. So, which word? Because, however, almost, due to, or problem? Which one has the compare and contrast structure word? 6. Paragraph 3 from passage 2 has a compare and contrast structure. Choose an underlined word or phrase that helps support this statement. Passage 2. Unlike the past, today's outlook for the bald eagle is much better. Many groups have come together to help the bird survive. They have changed things so the bald eagle will no longer lose its home or be harmed by people. Its trees are no longer chopped down and the nests are safe. Unlike, outlook, so that, will, safe. This is our last question. Highly suggest you look back at your story so that you can show what you know to the best of your ability. Parts of both passages use a similar structure. The problem of the disappearance of the bald eagle is described in the passages. The sentences below describe solutions for that problem. Decide whether each solution on the left below is found in passage 1, passage 2, or both passages. So, passage 1, passage 2, both passages. You're going to select the one that matches. So, for instance, I might have a topic, and if I found that story only in passage 2, I would click that. So choose. Special groups raised baby bald eagles and released them. Was that in 1? Was that in 2? Was that in both? A poison that almost destroyed the bald eagle is gone. Was that written in passage 1, passage 2, or both? A law was passed preventing killing or hurting bald eagles. Did you see that in passage 1, passage 2, or both? The bald eagle's trees are no longer chopped down. Was that talked about in passage 1, passage 2, or both? Great job for working so hard on this and showing us what you know. I'm so proud of you. Good work. You may go back to the video, and if you need to review anything else, make sure you check your answers and submit it. Turn it in. Have an awesome day.